How to fix camera on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix camera on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, in order to fix camera on Facebook Messenger, let's say that you were having video call problems and so on, well, all it needs is a camera permission. So in order to enable that permission for our app, we will simply open up settings. Once we open up settings, what we will do is on the list of all these options, we will simply go ahead and look for apps. Once you find apps, simply tap on it, and again what we will do is we want to go ahead and then look for Messenger. So simply go ahead and then search for the Messenger app on this list. Once you find Messenger, tap on it, and as soon as you tap on Messenger, go to the option first called storage, and what we will do is we will clear the cache files of the Messenger app. Once we clear the cache files of Messenger, we will just come back and then go to the option called permissions. As soon as you go to permissions, over here what you want to do is you want to make sure to tap on camera, and then you have to make sure to actually set it to allow. For example, if your camera was actually set to do not allow, that could be the reason why the Messenger app wasn't being able to use your camera access. So in order to allow the camera access for Messenger, just make sure that it is set to allow. Once you've set it to allow, now you can come back and then you can also allow other permissions such as microphone, which is very important for audio and video calls as well. If this doesn't fix the issue, which in most cases I guess it would, but if it doesn't, well, just in case, then just make sure to update the Messenger app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app store, in the search box tapping in Messenger, and go ahead and tap on the update button if there is an update available for Messenger app. And hopefully one of these solutions would definitely solve the problem. If it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.